Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust screen size on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First you have to open settings, now scroll down and you will find display. Tap on it. Now from here you have to tap on screen zoom, and these settings will allow you to adjust your screen size on your S25 Ultra. Here you will find a slider, and here you will find a plus icon and minus icon. Slide right toward the plus icon to zoom in the screen, and this will magnify, this will increase your screen size on your S25 Ultra. And if you swipe left toward the minus, it will decrease your screen size on your S25 Ultra. That's how you can just adjust your screen size on your S25 Ultra, but the level 2 is the default size on your S25 Ultra device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.